Apparently this baby bird and 3 other baby birds fell out of their nest. 3 of the baby birds unfortunately died. This one luckily fell in the grass and survived. We're gonna try our best to nurse it back to health and help it survive. Our baby bird. Our mission, to save it from that cat. I think it's looking right at you. So we have a bowl of water, the food cup, and the baby bird. The nest will alert the mommy where the bird is. Okay, so now we're gonna give it some water. Must be thirsty after last night. Oh, looks like it's gulping it down. Maybe it thinks we're its mommy. Now we're gonna pick up the baby bird, put it in the nest. It's in that green cup. Climbing up. Gonna put it in there. Ooh, fell into the nest.
How about the food?
Yeah, maybe we should put some food up there so it feels at home.
How about some more?
Okay, so we're gonna put the food up there. Okay, we're using the ladder. That's our food cup.
Just one more thing.
Okay guys, we successfully tied the nest on the branch. The nest has a few holes from the fall from the tree, but we're gonna patch those up with leaves. Okay, so here we are inside the nest. The leaves work as cushion for the bird. And you see those yellow seeds? Though that's its food. And then that purple reddish thing is the bird's body. Okay, this is the nest. Those leaves sticking out, the cushion. And that black wire is the thing we used to tie it down. Last time it fell down because it had nothing to tie it down and it wasn't stable. Now it's stable.